Alright, I'm moving today. Been doing a lot of work, a lot of moving stuff around. So it's time to take a small break and go geocaching. This is a level 5 geocache. So we'll see if I find it. But I'm up for an adventure. Come along! The iPhone says I am, start, 450 feet away. Might be under this bridge over here. We'll see, we'll see. Freaking love geocaching. It's amazing. It's so much fun. It makes any trip so much more cooler. You're supposed to get to this one in a canoe. So we'll see. We'll see if I can do it. 103 feet that away. These are stickers. Ah, got me. Cool. I'm underneath the bridge. Oh my goodness, there's a deer. Wow. This is beautiful. I love the water. It's so amazing. GPS says it's 62 feet. Over there. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make this one. I don't know. But I'm going to check it out. I'm going to see. That's what's so fun about geocaching. It's an adventure. You don't know what you're going to get into. But if you're up for it, it's going to be super fun. 76 feet. 74 feet. Am I on the wrong side of the river? It's got to be in that tree. It's got to be. My geo senses are tingling. Feel it. It says 35 feet that away. And that's the tree. That's what I would think. Let's go find out. Let's go try to do this without losing the camera. Where you at, baby? Where you at? Where you at? Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Shoot. Whew, almost lost it there. Almost lost it. Okay, now it's saying it's 63 feet that away. What's the deal? What's the deal, iPhone? Come on, iPhone GPS. Let me check the handy dandy iPhone. 79 feet, you gotta be kidding me. I'm gonna have to come back with a canoe. Yeah. It says 66 feet that way. I'm gonna call this one quits. Ow! Briars! Ow! Yeah. After much debate, I'm going to call this one a DNF. But it's not over. I'm coming back with a kayak or a canoe. I'm gonna do it. Till next time, this is D. Knowlton Jr., the Geocaching Adventure Taker, having a blast, even if I don't find stuff. I encourage you to do the same. Get out there. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. If this is it. Oh my God, look at this. Oh my God, the GPS was so off on this thing. Oh, that is so cool. I almost gave up on this sucker. Oh, that feels so good. Oh, that feels so good. The GPS was so off. Let's see what we got in here. Hallelujah. That is so cool. I was about to go home. I am a happy camper. God, this is so cool. Well, that's cool. Looks like a wrestling trophy. Humane Society. I think I'm gonna make a trade. I'm gonna take this and I'm going to put in its place this domino I made. It says It's a domino. I used distress ink and distress paints and stamps, and I'm gonna put that in. I can't believe I found this thing. Oh, I was all climbing a tree and stuff. My goodness. Okay, I'm gonna sign this sucker and do my little trade and get on out of here. Okay, let's put all the rest of the stuff back in here. Alright, there we go. My little medal for the awesome find. I almost gave up on this sucker. Man, this is worth it. Alright, we're gonna hang this sucker back. We got it. Just hanging by the river. Now that right there is what geocaching is all about. I found an amazing place to come swimming, and I had a great adventure. And look at this place, so beautiful. If you like the adventure, press that little like button and subscribe if you want to continue watching the adventures. This is G. Knowlton Holland Jr., the Geocaching Adventure Taker, signing off with another find, baby. 65th geocache. It's number 65. Sid Ball, baby, Sid Ball.